Highly blissfulness, everybody. Wanna see me teeth and grin? I'm so happy right now. I'm really, really happy. Everything is working out. Everything is working out. And I'm so grateful that everything is working out. Truly, truly grateful. You know what's been happening to me? Guys, I think I have favor. I think Jah favors me. No, I know Jah favors me. Oh my goodness, if you ever hear this. You ever feel so blessed? Like you just feel God's grace upon you. You just feel connected to the source. You just feel like everything you touch, you feel the energy just transmute into that thing and becomes gold. Guys, I've waited so long for this opportunity. I've waited so long for this moment. And I finally can feel things that get light. Lord, I get light. You know what I mean? Opportunities after opportunities, doors opening, doors opening, doors opening, doors opening, doors opening. I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start, I'm telling you. All right. My channel is all about kindness, yeah? And showing you what I learned. So anything that I learned today, me I go tell you because that's how I am. I can't change. I have to share knowledge. My philosophy is knowledge and money can't carry go your grave. So me have to share that. So boy. Alright, hear this now. You guys know I've been on a journey, right? And I've been on my soap journey. I've been on my teaching journey for those who's been with me for a while. I've been on my self-care journey, my spiritual journey, my detox journey. I'm trying to transcend, transmute, and transform. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to talk to you about everything that's working out for me right now. I'm not going to go into details with a lot of stuff, but I'm just going to tell you why it's working out for me. Have you ever been in a situation where you just feel like, all right, you've done everything, you've tried every avenue, and the one avenue you never leaned into properly was the only one that you needed, and it was the inner. The inner resonation. You get me? Once you resonate when you're I feel like I'm going to cry. I feel so emotional, guys. Because I finally start resonate with myself and find out what I really need to focus on the most. And what was causing disruption, God never sent it. Jah never sent it. Whatever they disrupt me and I carry me out of my frequency and energy, Jah never sent it to me. And then I started to notice things changing. I started to create more. I started to make more videos on TikTok and YouTube. 2018, I started to just go hard. I created my acrylic product and I started to retail my acrylic powders. I started to do workshops with students. And you know what? The funny thing about this, my ex told me that years ago, about 20-something years ago, if not more, 25 or 26 years ago, him tell me. When I told him that I wanted to be a teacher, him said to me, you can never teach nobody. Nobody not gonna learn nothing from you. And I was like, wow. If you know, say at the time, at the man you deal with, where you so-called love and don't do anything for, probably run through two fire to tap up on some maca stick and, you know, two bad dog run after you and think you chance them something. You know, walk in a range for him, you know, at you for him. You get me? And him turn around and tell you, say, him not believing in you. You could have never be a teacher. You know how that can make somebody feel? You know how I felt for years listening to that just one voice in my head. I tell me, say, I would never be a teacher. I can't teach nobody. Nobody not learn nothing from me. Flipping hell. That did cut deep. Not tell no lie, that did bother me. It bothered me. Even when even being a parent, it bothered me because me I question myself, you know what I mean? Am I doing this the right way and stuff? And then I realize, say, you know, I can't keep on suppressing my dream to fulfill him ego because him thinking of him perspective. Him project upon me where him think about himself and throw it upon me now. So me must absorb him energy where him no longer need kind of serve him. And him know within himself him can't teach nobody nothing. So him want to project upon me now to make me feel inadequate with my skills and talent. You saw people wicked? But anyways, fast forward to 2009. Oh, hold on. But before that, I had a friend. Well, she's my cousin by my mom's side. And a couple years back, I think it was around 2017 or 18. I spoke to her and she tell me, say, Nikki, do you remember when we come at your house when we were around 12 years old? And I say, yeah, man, I remember when you come to my house one time because mommy and daddy strict. Then I don't like people coming in our house and we don't go on nobody's yard, all right? Because that's how we grow. And she came over one day and, you know, have a little girly day with me and thing. And it was so good. And she tell me, say, remember, say, and me teach her for part her hair, the back her hair. I say, what you mean? She said, me teach her to put two mirrors together. Like so, one mirror front and one mirror back for part her hair. Tell me now, people. I mean, it's so little. Where me learn that from? You know what I mean? So that means that I have, and even my sisters, them said to me, say, one of my sisters me I talked to last week, she said to me, say, Nikki, one time you were around 6 or 7 years old, you didn't make one starch out of one bush in the yard. Do you remember which bush you use? And mommy call all of you you teach everybody to do the starch out of the bush because mommy didn't want to starch our figurine, you know the crochet piece them? We hold the little, you remember the little figurine that we used to, you know, the crochet piece them? Mommy used to want to starch them and she called everybody, all of the siblings that they ate away in the family, yeah? She called everyone away and tell me to teach them how to do it because everybody has starch in here today. Out of the bush. And when I start remembering certain things, I say, but Jesus, look here, man. Look how people can thief your destiny from you. Can take you away from you without you even acknowledge what them do. You don't have to even go realize what them do. They just go plant a seed in you and water it with narcissistic, egotistic, gaslighting behavior and watch it grow in you and stunt you. Oh, and when she tell me that, when me remember say me did really sure how to part her ear. And my sister talked to me last week about this starch when I make out of the bush. I said to myself, you know what? Me have to make the video to tell somebody out there who in the same position like me, leave him. If him tell you negative things about your skills and talent and you know within yourself like it's a burning flame, from a little me want to teach. My sister say it all the time, so I used to beat the bush them. Because back in the days, I grew up in the 80s. Yeah? So when we did at school, we used to beat the bush them because of that we did grow up and know because we did get whoop whoop at school. Obviously, you know, I go do them something there and them something that not nice, yeah? But I was actually teaching the bush, the flowers and everything in the garden. And she said to me, said, there's no way on earth you could not come out to not be a teacher. No matter how you suppress it, it have to rise because it's an eternal flame that's burning within. And 2009, I qualified to be a teaching assistant, yeah? And 2021, I qualified to be an educator. You understand? I have workshops, I have groups, I have my channels where I teach DIY stuff. And if I did follow the little voice in my head where him did plant as a seed, and I him need the seed, me no need no seed from outer. Any seed me need can drop from my, when the oil reach up here so. Me not never going on this so because that's another video. But when you also get, yeah, and it go, ooh, yeah, and it rise from your kundo, yeah, and come straight up. It rise when you kundal, yeah, and come straight up. You feel that essence of energy flowing through your body. Trust me. Are you calling? You understand? So anyways, no, me never listen. I do what I need to do. And I became a teacher. I am a teacher. You understand? And we go to Jamaica this year and tell him, say, yo, me a teacher. He say, what? I say, yeah, me bright up in his face. I had to let him know because I don't want to see in your eyebrows. I don't want to see how the eyebrows move. Just the eyebrows, I don't want to see move. Yeah? The sarcasm will come with it like, really? My man humble as a lamb. When me tell him, say, yeah, I'm a qualified teacher. I'm a holistic therapist and start name out what me do. I had to. I don't have an ego. Me I give him back in energy when they give me. So me give him back to him now and now. Guess what? Me clean a state. And from April this year, opportunities are coming to me like crazy. Things are coming to me like naturally. You get me? It's like the source I may connect. Alright, here what happened to me now. May I get all cozy and comfortable over here, guys. Guess what happened to me? Alright, the other day. I don't know if you see the video of me getting the rosemary from my neighbor, right? My neighbor gave me rosemary, right? You see this garden, anything we ask for, like spiritually, and put out thanks and gratitude for, it always comes to me in a different way, unexpectedly, all right? So anyways, now, the rosemary came because you guys know that I make my, here on beauty products, I make my soaps and, my extracts and all of them stuff. And I realized that the rosemary came just in time because it was going into the time where I do seasonal products. I make soaps at this time of year, yeah? And then I make wine as well this time of year. But I'm not making no wine this year because I'm not into that this year. I just want to be more of a holistic care this year. I'm not making no wine at all. But the seasonal products that I make reflects how I harvest my crops in the summertime, right? Whenever I'm ready for harvest, it depends on that because I make a lot of products that needs this type of season. So I got the rosemary, didn't ask for them. I was just cleaning up the yard. I get the rosemary, I dry them, and I wash them, dry them, and pick them and store them. Can I tell you, that was the start of something amazing. I'm not gonna even tell you how I get the animals as well, the cat and the dog, because them they didn't come to me, like they just came to me. They just came to me. The universe distributed the cat to me and the dog just came to me. But anyways, I started to make products, right? That are the first thing me do with the rosemary when it dry and stuff. So you see the video me just do a while ago with the extract as well, right? I make my rosemary soap as well. I need to upload that video as well. Can you imagine me walking in faith, not knowing from 2020 when we got locked down, the garden started to just flourish. I don't know how, why, but the garden somehow went through this upgrade, right? And everything that the garden just did start blossom and it just looked so bountiful and rich, you know what I mean? Come like the spirit of Jah was in the garden. And I realized that, you know what? A lot of things started from that time. I started to make medicines, soaps, ointments, a whole heap of things. Because we didn't have time on we hand, don't it? We didn't have a whole eternity. Because we never know when we'll come off of this, so we just have to keep ourselves occupied. I started to make a lot of stuff, and then that started show me how to do it seasonal, yeah? And that gave me a rhythm until now. So I went walking in faith. I was making all these things and never know why I was making them. Only if you find out, so the things that I made prior to being locked down helped us while we were locked down, and it helped us recover over certain, you know what I mean? Right. So we recover it because of the things when we do. I was walking in faith. I never know where me there go, you know? Never know where me there go. God just direct me and tell me, say, listen, you need to walk this way and do this. I was doing tinctures. I was doing extracts. I was making herbal powders, tonics. I was doing so much things on a health. Like I was making an apothecary, which I still have made me stuff them and all my tinctures and extracts. And it came in so handy. I walked in faith I never did know why, but I did it. Now move on to 2024. It's the same things happening. I was told I need to go to Jamaica. I went to Jamaica. I told I needed to stay for a couple of weeks. I did. I was told to go into the water. I did. Talk to the water. I was told a lot of things, and I did. When I left Jamaica, I graduated. I had a certificate, and I had a what you call it, graduation hat on. When me left Jamaica with a, I'm telling you, I graduated when I left Jamaica. But anyways, I came back, and then I wanted to make some soaps. I forgot when I was in Jamaica to bring up the sea moss. I left the sea moss at Jamaica. That is the only mistake I did make. I left the sea moss at Jamaica where I needed. So anyways, I came back and I was talking to a friend of mine because I know he had some sea moss at the time. And him tell me, say, him can give me for a certain amount and we can take the whole box. A whole big box of sea moss. Like, massive, yeah? And I was like, bloody hell. Things just don't work because my soap base it have sea moss in a hit. I mean, I think, okay, cool. Sea moss in a hit, that means, yeah, man, things are going because, you know what I mean? Me get the sea moss I need when me left for Jamaica. And this one is the African sea moss. It's, Zanzibar, Zanzi. You understand? And the purple one. Wow, I love it. But anyways, me get the sea moss and me start make my soaps and everything and start generate a little bit of, income. And then I said to myself, boy, it'd be so nice if I could get I make soaps the plant-based way. And the soaps that I make is from butters and oils that are naturally derived from plants and then the herbs outside. So I've thought to myself, okay, I've been hearing about using this other fat, which is not plant-based, it's animal fat. And it has such benefits for the skin and it does this and it does that and it does that. I'm like, all right, cool. May go on to try that, you know what I mean? And then I started watching a few videos and then I talk about how good it is and how it, restores certain dryness on the skin, eczema, all of them, something that's really good for the skin barrier. And I thought to myself, all right, I can go to the butchers and ask them for some, fat. And I can render it into oil because in Jamaica, when I was little, my mom and dad used to do that. I grew up on a farm and when daddy used to, slaughter the animals, he used to use the fat and mommy used to just fry out the fat. You know what I mean? Put it in the dutchie and just make the fat itself become oil. So it's called rendering the oil, right? Me never know that at the time. Me just think them a fry fat. So anyways, mommy used to fry the fat and everything. And then when she done, she threw a little salt on it and give it to eat. And that was nice. But it was not like often because it would cause pancreatic issues and kidney issues and all sorts of issues. So if you eat too much, if you eat excessively amount of fat like that, it will cause them problems. So we never bother eat it so much. We only do it on a Sunday on periodically, But anyways, they used to do that, and in times where they used to have oil shortage back home, that's how they used to get them oil for frying them stuff. They used to just use the animal fat. So I had the knowledge of, turning the fat. I knew how to do it on a small basis. Yeah, although it was a farm, my dad, he did it just for the family, so it wasn't excessively a major amount. But my mom never allowed us to do them stuff at the time because it was more of a hazard, right? Although I started cooking from 8. But she never allowed us to go around the coal stove with such big pan of oil and all of them something. So she used to do it. But I used to watch her from a distance. And that's how I learned. Me see something one time and me just get it. That's how me learn. I started crocheting from, I was around 8 years old, I think I started crocheting. And I just crochet like crazy. And my mom used to say to me, crochet the little stuff them in the yard. You know what I mean? I'm used to crochet the little centerpiece table things and everything. So let me tell you something. I'm a jack of all trades. Don't underestimate me. But anyways, as I was saying, the beef tallow, it's called beef tallow because of the beef I want to use, yeah? So I went into the butcher's a couple weeks back. I think it was around 3 weeks ago. And I was buying something in there. And I said to him, do you have the beef fat that I could use I never tell him what I want to do with it. I just said, do you have any beef fat? He went around there, and when he gone around, I turned around to somebody that was behind me, and I said to him, hey, I want the beef fat, I want to make some oil, you see. So the beef fat, I send him for, but it looked like he might come back with slice of beef. So when he come back around now, the man have a slice of beef. I said, no, that me a talk. So the guy behind me now said to me, what you look for? I say, oh, beef fat, you know what I mean? That me can turn it into oil. And say, my girl, my work, I want a factory. We get grass-fed cows. And that's what they do. Them slice up the meat in a different parts. And when they don't want the fat and stuff, them box it up. I say, what you say? He say, yeah. That's what he do. I say, nah, this is cap. Nah, you're tripping. He said, me serious. That's what we do. I've been working there for 3 years now. That's what we do. I say, you what? How comes? How comes what I needed was right behind me? And I was looking in front. Understand that? I was looking in front. I was asking the butcher if he have any beef fat because of the butcher. The man behind me, him have a whole factory. Guys, I feel emotional right now. I'm not telling no lie, I feel emotional bad because I can't believe, even though I think to myself, what are the odds of me walking into the butchers, asking the butchers for something that he supplies, only for the man behind me to tell me, say, I am the main man. I went up to the factory and I got a big box of 20 kilos of beef fat. And I paid him £30 for it. I don't know if he charged me over excess or not, or I don't know, but it's just the kindness that the man has to make me know. And I don't care if he charged me £30 and not £2 for it. Listen, it worked the £28, it worked the £30. You get me? Because he did me it's like an angel sent. So me go exchange the energy and pay him. You understand? He never have to do that. He never have to tell me, no. He never have to tell me, but you can tell the type of person he is in love to help people. And he told me that he do it. Him do it. And me give him a little money. Yeah, me go collect the thing. Me even make the video to show you guys how much I got from it. Everything's just falling into place and I'm just walking into faith. Me hear one little voice said to me, say, okay, you're going to make whole heap of soap now. And the soap the way you're going to make, people are going to benefit from it because you're going to solve whole heap of problem. You know the funny thing is, my dog had surgery in March. And after she had surgery, she came back with dry skin and listen, she was flaking and, you know, we took the dog to the vet and the vet said, oh, you need to wash her with this antibacterial soap because she have Demodex and mites and all of them something there. So she told me that that was what happening to the dog. I came home and I formulated a soap that has skin-loving butters and oils just for my furry little friend. Good girl. There's no more flakes, Remy. Huh? There's no more flakes. No more redness? No. And I've been using the soap and the dog now have no more flakes, no more Demodex. The vet just seemed it gone. She asked me if it's the she asked me if I did medicated soap. I said the medicated soap clean her, but the medicated soap never get rid of it because she was still flaking. So I had to formulate let me tell you, this is the soap I formulate. This is the soap I formulate. Natural, no flavors, no fragrance, no colors, just pure herbs from the garden. When we research and find out, say it good for skin and regenerative process, and we formulate the soap. No smell is a natural bar of soap. Why when me use it for my puppy, for the doggy, the dog never have, when we walk him, he never lie down in the grass no more and scratch him back. He never scratch every minute and you know what I mean? So uncomfortable to lie down. Our coat shiny. There was no more red spots, no more flakes. I'm gonna show you the video because
you're gonna be a good doggy. Whoa!
Because I have the video up. My point is, I've been walking in faith. So now when we get the idea or the inspiration to go get the beef and make the tallow, me never itch. Me move it because when I got the inspiration to make this, it's because the dog was ill. And the voice told me, make a soap for Remy. Make a soap for her. Guys, you'd not believe how our skin clear up. Listen to me. The dog is no more issues, no more redness, no more flakes, no more smelliness. The coat shiny and nice. She no scratch and uncomfortable anymore. She just love it. Make us show the video. I have everything recorded for show you guys. But what I'm trying to say to you that I've been walking in faith, total faith. All right. Another one. I went to a local shop behind where I live. And they sell oils and butters that I could use for my soap. And it's an African shop. I went into the shop and they sell shea butter. So I asked the lady in the shop if she's selling me in a bigger batch because I wanna buy more from her. So she said to me, she can do if me can tell her how much the price is going for. I said, well, I can give you an example of what's going on online, but then you can tell me how much you want to sell it for. So me give her some pictures, send her some pictures, and it says 35 pounds for 5 kg of unrefined shea butter. She says she can't sell it for 35 pounds for 5 kg because she owe people and she want to pay people up money and everything. I mean, think, okay, fair enough. How much you want to sell it for then? She still can't give me a price how much she wants to sell it for. But the point is, I didn't want to buy just 5 kg. I wanted to buy at least 30 to 35 to 40 kgs from her. So eventually the money would add up. But she just totally dismissed me and says she no want to do it so. Because if she do it so, she'll go lose out. Not looking at the long run, the future plan for no say, okay, the short term goal is me buying 5 kg now for try it. But the long term plan is me having a business with you where I'm going to order at least 50 kg of shea butter, yeah? And then we'll have an ongoing business. 50 kg freaking butter and a 35 pound for 5 kg. You know do the maths. Should I get the money? And make soap to myself fast, so it would be ongoing. She never think that way. I mean, I think, wow, she never think smart enough, and she want to work hard. She want to sell each container for $3.99 for 180 grams. To me, that not sell. Because who are going to buy so much for she to pay off everybody one time? It not going to work. But if she had just given the chance of me, but me not tell her to sell it at 35 pounds, you know. She says she wants an example to see how it can sell. And I said to myself, all right, hold on. Let me give you an example. You do the topping up, now put 20% on it if you want, or 40, whatever. Let me know it's local. I want to support the community. It's in my area. I don't have to pay for delivery or anything. So if it's 35 online plus delivery, then you're not going to sell it for 35. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, she lose out pan at the spot because I'm glad she did, because 2 days ago, I seen a friend of mine. No, yesterday, I see a client of mine when we normally do our facials and give our facial products, and I haven't seen her for about a month and a half. She stopped at the door when I go out yesterday, when I go with the dog for drive out. She stopped and said to me she's been in Ghana for how long. The butter, when I tried buy previously, is Ghanaian butter. Nicest butter ever. She said she was in Ghana. I go, she said, don't worry, I brought you your shea butter. I say, you what? People, she said she'd buy me. She bring me back the shea butter. I said, what? She said, yeah, I'll bring you back a big container. I said, no. She said, yes. Because I remember you saying to me, I think it was early this year or last year, that you wanted some shea butter. And I remember that when I was talking to you on the fence, I said, no. She said, yes. So she said, when we're ready to come for it. that rejection was God protecting me because I was getting a better one and I could source it. And not only that, 2 weeks ago, my sister said to me, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Because I told her about this, the whole situation. Don't worry about it. She gave me Instagram account that does shea butter from Ghana. And the woman them, I rather do it that way because it's fair trade. And it's cheap as well. I can get, not cheap, £54, yeah? Including postage for 5 kg. That's all the woman have to say. But me not think hers was ethnically sourced. This one is. It have a label on it and know directly where it's coming from, how it's made and who make it and how the village look and thing. So God is telling me don't go there so and reject that for me if it go the other way that I could get the fair trade, the ethnically sourced raw material that I need to make the soaps. Walking in faith. I have a blindfold on but I'm still a walk. Some things happened to me, guys. Me just have to make this video because you know what? Sissy and Bros. Let me tell you now what happened to me right now, yeah? Because you know become my sisters and brothers, right? I can't share anything with you, right? And please don't be offended if me call you Sissy or Bros, alright? Me have a whole heap of sisters. I'm not lacking sisters. It's just I want you guys to realize that me I talk to you like me I talk to my sister. You get me? I don't feel so comfortable me can't talk to you about anything. The dog soap make, my soap them make, everything I work into place. So me get the rosemary, the herbs, me get the sea moss, yeah? Me get the beef tallow, can me make it myself, yeah? Me get the shea butter, yeah? And then guess what happened? 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Yeah, around 3 days ago. Somebody who knows that I do fitness and detox program holistically and lymphatic drainage and everything brought a little opportunity my way. Asked me if I could do a workshop for him. With him, but me ending up being the leading person in at the workshop. I was like, hold on. I'm not too sure. Him said, Nikki, I'm confident in you. I know you can do it. Him said, you are a born leader. People will follow you. That's what he said to me now. We can bring up the text and show them. We can insert it in the message them in the video you know.
Don't act like you are all scared and you have the energy to light up a whole room. So with your energy, I believe in you and I believe that you will take control of that classroom and just lead the way. You're a leader. You're a born leader. So you got this.
And show you that you're a born leader. You've got this. I have so much faith in you. Right? And I was like, you what? So now he wants me to do a weight loss detox workshop that is dancing. Guys, a week ago I sit down to myself and said to myself, you know, I go to your workshop because I don't know how to explain this one because from a little my love for dance, every competition me used to win. We used to win a lot of competition. I enter competition, me win that, me gone with that. Nobody can know. Yeah, but I went to Edna Manny School of Performing Arts around, I think it was a year or 18 months. And dancing is something that I am passionate about. You may not see it often, but when I say I love to dance, I said to myself last week, you go wait until you're 80 years old for you get the workshop done. God. Only for him to text me and tell me he's got confidence, he's got faith. He knows I can do this. And he's got 11 ladies lined up, ready. He made me the admin of the group. And the ladies are so excited and can't wait. So it's gonna be my dancehall work, exercise workshop. And that's what they want. Them say they want to walk up the weights. I've been walking in faith. I've been walking blindfolded. And I never questioned, never ever asked why. All the situations that I've been through, everything that I'm going through right now, I never ask why. Why me? I always ask, why not me? Why shouldn't I learn these experiences, good or bad? Why not? I'm here. I'm a spiritual being having a human experience. So why shouldn't I learn about all these things that are going to affect my being? And to know that people out there really value me and really have faith and really trust me, it gave me a different perspective to things, you know? Sorry, guys. It's not sadness. I'm just happy. I'm just happy. I'm so sorry. I'm just so happy. I'm just so happy because finally I can see everything working out. So I've got sessions booked next week. And I get paid for it as well. I've got session books next week, Friday, and the following week, Wednesday and Friday. And this is something I can see growing. And probably that's why I'm so scared, because I can see it growing. I've always seen this. I've been to the center 2 times to ask them for me to rent a room in different years. And I've been procrastinating. I've been here twice. This is my 3rd time. The opportunity just dropping on my lap. Just dropping on my hand. Because I just let go of things. I just let go of nothing when we can't control me. Just let it go. Families where no longer speak to me, I just let them go. You know, friends that no longer resonate with me, or I don't no longer resonate with them, I just don't think about nobody than my internal being. You know what I mean? I just focus on, once I am okay, then the whole household is okay. And that's when we start leaning into opportunities and realize that these opportunities are here because I asked for them, and now I'm seeing them. I can finally look onto it and see what it really is. And only Jack can do this, or only him can do this for me. It's like before I rise in the grand rising hours, I set my intentions before I talk to nobody or get up out of the bed. I've been setting my intentions and talking to my internal being and telling myself how I want to feel, how I want to be, how I want to act, how I want to walk, how I want to talk. And for no say, I've only just been doing this just for a few days. Everything is possible. Sorry if this video is long. I can't control myself right now. Everything is possible. Everything is possible, guys. Trust me. Everything is possible. Jah has blessed me. And he's working on me. And he's working with me. And I'm walking with him. He's in front. And I'm walking behind him. He's given me discernment and wisdom. He's given me the genius cells for me to activate them and use them smartly. I'm no longer working hard. Opportunities are just landing right on top of me. People are loving me I'm loving myself more. And listen to me. Don't listen to the naysayers. And them are gonna turn around and say, oh, me didn't know so you could have do it. Me didn't know so you could have do it. You remember me to tell you? Just don't even entertain them, please. Because them always come when success is here in them face, them come. But if they can't, they're not gonna see it when you go upon your journey. They're narcissistical to you. Them gaslight you. They make you feel like, you don't have much sense. Them talk behind your back. Them bread crumb feed you with things. They suppress you. And then you become depressed. Don't make them do that to you. Walk in faith. Find the source. The source of life. Find him. Guys, this is powerful. All I have to say is walk in faith and you will be highly favored, because I'm highly favored. Thank you all for watching. And sorry about this long video, but it was necessary. It was needed. There's so many other stories I can tell you, but I want you guys to look forward to more videos coming. I'm gonna record the first session we have with our workshop, and I've got so much more planned to bring to the channel. All right, this channel is just gonna be growing and growing and growing because I'm your favorite DIY YouTuber. I'm Nix, your natural natty sister, and I'm out. This is crazy. This is crazy.